I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grease your Ram 2500 front drive shaft. First, gather your essential tools: a grease gun, the correct type of grease, and safety equipment like jack stands. Always ensure your truck is securely supported before you begin any work underneath. Next, you'll need to locate the small grease fittings on the drive shaft itself. Now, let's find those Zerk fittings. On your Ram 2500 front drive shaft, you'll usually find 2 or 3 of these small points. There's typically one on each universal joint, and sometimes an additional one on the slip yoke. Using a good flashlight will make it much easier to spot and access all the fittings, ensuring you don't miss any crucial lubrication points. Once you've located all the fittings, it's time to apply the grease. First, clean any dirt or debris from each Zerk fitting. Then, firmly attach your grease gun coupler. Pump the grease slowly until you see a small amount of fresh grease just beginning to ooze out from the joint seals. Be careful not to overgrease, as this can potentially damage the seals. After greasing, carefully wipe away any excess grease from the fittings and surrounding areas. This helps prevent dirt and grime from accumulating. It's also a good practice to regularly inspect your drive shaft for any signs of wear, loose components, or damage. For optimal performance and longevity, greasing your Ram 2500 front drive shaft every 5,000 to 10,000 miles is generally recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.